All my CA intermediate friends, I hope all of you are doing good, and I have some super amazing news for all of you. This Sunday, 29th of August, 12 p.m, we are organizing a combat test for all of you. Now, what is combat? Combat is a scholarship test where all you have to do is appear for this 60-minute test and answer 40 multiple choice question of CA intermediate syllabus. And if you score amongst the top 200 rankers, you will be given an amazing scholarship by Unacademy. Now, if you are amongst the top 3 rankers, you will be given 1 year free subscription plus subscription by Unacademy. Rankers from 4th to 10th will be given 75% off on their subscription. Rankers from 11th to 50th will be given 50% off, and 51st to 200 rank holders will be given 25% off on their plus subscription. Not only that, this Sunday 29th August to 12 p.m. in this test, there will be 200 lucky winners who will be given awesome gifts by Unacademy ranging from iPad mini, AirPods, JBL speakers and Amazon vouchers. So make sure that you appear for this test this Sunday 29th August at 12 p.m. And the best part, you can appear for this scholarship test absolutely free. All you have to do is use this code over here, TEJAS10, and enroll for this test. You can appear for this test absolutely free. So looking forward to see you all this Sunday 12 p.m. 29th August in this mega combat, and make sure that you win amazing prizes and amazing scholarship on your plus subscription. Thank you so much. See you all. Let's crack it.